How to buy Ultra token. So this token came under the symbol of UOS. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available, or all it will be listed on MEXC. So first of all, open your MEXC account like that, and if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, in the search bar, type the token name UOS like that. Now click on this pair that have USDT. Now after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, this token will be live for trading in about 9 hours from now. Now until that date, now here in the amount, set the amount that you want to buy. Here you will be able to see the total that you should pay over that USDT on your account. And now click on buy UOS. So in a few seconds, this token it will be added to your account. So this is how to buy UOS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.